Hi guys, as it's half term. Today we went out to the nature park and we went on a trail. We were looking for animal feet, different kinds of animal feet, and I'll show you clips of that later. The boys are starving and I've got to get food on the table quickly. So what I'm going to do today is Caribbean mixed bean rundown with mashed potato and chives, and what else? Oh, coleslaw, but with lemon and lime. Let's see if the boys will eat it. Boil some potatoes, mash them, add some plant milk,
Mashed potato.
and a knob of butter. To my pan I'm going to add a little bit of oil. I have already prepared some peppers, that's a little bit of chilli, some garlic and some onion, and I'm just going to cook that down. I think I might have done a little bit of chilli too much, because as I'm cooking the chilies, I'm just coughing, and as I breathe it in, it's hitting the back of my throat. And add. It's cooking really nicely, and because I can taste the chili hitting the back of my throat, I'm going to put ginger in because that was the plan, but I'm not putting as much because the ginger and the chili will go woohoo. So a little bit of ginger. My mum used to call these things when they put coconut in it, rondon. So it's really sweating down nicely. And then I have some ready-made beans. Can you see my beans? And then put the beans in. It's a really simple, quick recipe. And you know what? I always say this is what I love about vegan food. Like, it doesn't have to take ages and hours and hours. And then we're going to start adding in some flavours. So, seasonal turmeric, mixed herbs, thyme. That's what's going on here. I might put a little bit of curry powder in, just a touch. Or if I just dropped some herbs. What have I added in so far?
Mum.
Yes, darling. You like some? Can you help yourself? Can you make your own water, please, baby? Yeah, getting some water. And then we're going to add some coconut cream. Then I'm going to add some soy sauce. I'm going to cover this, and I'm going to go back to the mashed potatoes that I made earlier, and I've already mashed it up. I'm going to add some chives to it, just to give it some flavour. Oh, I've added some herbs in here, did I say that? So to our mashed potatoes, again, fresh is always best, but I don't have any fresh chives, so I've got some dried chives I'm going to add. And I'm going to try and present this really posh today. So I put the potatoes in a ring, and then I'm going to see if I can unveil them. Now it's looking like restaurant business. So now I'm going to make my own coleslaw. There's vegan salad cream and there's vegan mayonnaise, but it's still quite fattening. And you know that I'm trying to slim down when the publicity shots start happening for my videos, that I'm looking like what I'm going to do with my coleslaw is I'm going to add lemon and lime to give it flavour, and vinegar, and mix it up with herbs and spices. Carrots, cabbage and onions. Squeeze some lime. Oh, squeeze some lemon. Oh, that's gone everywhere, that has. It's really refreshing when you make this. Our coleslaw. And oh, what's next? Oh, cider vinegar, just a little bit. So as you can see, our rundown is looking lovely. I've added some vegetables, and there's our coleslaw. So here we go with the presentation of the beef. And then I'm going to let it sort of swim in the sauce a bit. It's looking good, isn't it? Coconut rundown. Oh, it's okay. Oh no, there's a thick pepper at the back. But not too bad. Oh, hold on. My coleslaw. Lemon and lime, white wine vinegar, pepper, salt, herbs. I'm telling you, it's really refreshing. It's a different way of doing coleslaw. This week I'm going to be in the studio. Also, I'm rehearsing for a gig. on the 28th of February, which is also my birthday. So today was our little quality time, my quality time with the boys, and I'll show you some excerpts of what happened today.
Follow the trail to find a footprints.
Doing a mini beast trail. What's that? Let's have a look. That's just information. Okay, so we found the first clue. It is a
Hedgehog.
a hedgehog, so we have to write it on our bit of paper now.
Yeah!
Yeah!
A squirrel!
A squirrel, let's do it. Oh, really lovely day. It's not cold. It might look like it's very windy, but it's not cold. A rabbit. Our oldest is absolutely hating it. Look, he's sitting down sulking now. Look, we're having a sulk. I'm thinking, no way, not coming. But we are in the visitor centre. They're going to try and force us to buy their bits and pieces. And now we're having hot chocolate. I'm having a cup of tea with soya milk.
I'm eating a badger biscuit.
And Anaya is eating a badger biscuit. This place is massive, this nature park. I have been doing my album, which people keep telling me now, is it like a tease, because when's it coming? Hope you like my recipes. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again next Sunday.